Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down to actually very bottom and tap on General Management. Now we have to tap on language, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so let's tap on Add Language, and here we've got the list of languages which are suggested by Samsung. So if you cannot find your language right here, no worries, all you have to do is simply tap on this three dot icon and tap on language, all languages, sorry. And as you can see right now here we've got actually the full list of the languages from which we can choose. But let me pick something from the Samsung suggested, and here all we have to do is simply find the language we want to use and tap on it. So I will pick this one. If you can choose the region, just tap on the region you'd like to use, and now your device will ask you if you want to set new language as a default one. So you can also keep current, or you can set it as a default. So obviously I will pick to set it as a default, and as you can see from now on the whole system, the whole menu actually will be in the chosen language. Obviously you can change it, so let me show you another way to change it. All you have to do is simply tap on this, I believe, edit, so just tap on it, and as you can see right now we can swipe the languages, and if you'd like to change the language you have to make sure that the language you'd like to use will be on the very first position. So let me swipe the English with the Netherlands with Dutch, and right now we can go back. And as you can see, the language has been immediately changed. So actually this is it. This is how to change the language in this device. And now let me show you how to remove it, because for some reason you don't want to have two different languages added to this list. So all you have to do is simply again tap on this edit icon and mark the one you'd like to remove. Tap on the trash bin icon and tap on remove again. And as you can see, it actually immediately disappears. So actually that's all. This is how to change system language in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.